Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to upload high quality video on Instagram. So for this, you need to go to your profile icon or profile, then go for in this three line option, go for settings and privacy, scroll down and in this data users and media quality option, you need to click on it. And you can see here uploaded high quality option. You can turn it on from here or otherwise go for post option, go for next and again go for next, then go for advanced settings and you can see again this option uploaded highest quality. Then you can turn it on from here. After that, just go back and just share your video on your Instagram. So this is how you can upload high quality video on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.